In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sitelink extensions in Google Ads. Sitelink extensions are those extra clickable links that appear beneath your main ad, guiding people to important pages like pricing, contact, or specific product categories. They can boost your ad's visibility, improve click-through rates, and help searchers get exactly where they need to go faster. First, open your Google Ads account. Use your preferred browser, sign in, and make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. Give the interface a moment to load. Google Ads can take a second, especially if you have a lot of campaigns. Next, click Campaigns. You'll find this in the left-hand navigation. This view helps you understand where your ads are running, but don't worry too much about selecting anything specific yet. We're heading to the place where site links are managed so you can create them once and use them wherever they make sense. Now, click Assets. Depending on your layout, this may be labeled Assets or Ads and Assets. This is where Google Ads stores reusable components like site links, callouts, and structured snippets. If you haven't explored this section before, think of it as your library of add-ons that enhance your ads without changing the core ad text. In the Assets area, click the plus icon to start creating something new. From the list that appears, click Sitelink. This opens a form specifically designed for site links. Here's where you enter the necessary details. Start with the site link text, the short, clear label that people will see, like pricing, contact, or shop new arrivals. Then add the final URL, which is the exact landing page you want users to visit. Use the full, secure URL with HTTPS and make sure the page loads quickly and matches the promise of your link text. You can also add 2 optional description lines to give more context beneath the site link, which can improve relevance and increase clicks. Keep descriptions concise and benefit-driven. Aim for variety across your site links so each one serves a distinct purpose. As you type, watch the preview panel to confirm how everything will look on desktop and mobile. Once you're done, click Save. Your site link will be created and may show as under review while Google checks policy compliance. That's normal. After approval, it can begin appearing with your ads and collecting performance data. Keep an eye on metrics like clicks and CTR in the assets reporting later, and refine your text or URLs if you see one outperforming the others. That's it. You've set up Sitelink extensions in Google Ads.